Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello bakers! In this video, I will explain how to make cookies bake, following Shivesh's fantastic recipe. We begin by browning 113 grams of butter in a saucepan, which adds an incredible nutty depth. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 grams of corn flour, and 2.5 grams of baking soda. Then, to the cooled brown butter, add 100 grams of soft brown sugar and 100 grams of castor sugar. This combination is key for a perfect cookie. Now, let's bring our dough to life. Whisk the brown butter and sugars for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are light and fluffy. Then, add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk, beating until the mixture is completely combined and airy. Next, carefully fold in your dry ingredients with a spatula, mixing just until the dough forms. Finally, add 88 grams of couverture chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough for delicious pockets of chocolate. With our dough ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Use an ice cream scooper to portion out even balls of dough, placing them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Remember to leave enough space between each cookie for spreading. Crucially, refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour, or even better, 24 hours. This enhances flavor and shape. Finally, bake your cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes until golden. To achieve that perfect finish, once your cookies are out of the oven, gently tap the hot baking tray on your kitchen counter. This helps create those lovely cracks on top. Immediately sprinkle a generous pinch of sea salt over the warm cookies. It truly elevates the taste. Let them cool on the tray for a few minutes before moving them. Remember, Shivesh emphasizes that chilling the dough for at least 1 hour is vital for cookies that hold their shape and have a superior texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.